Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office. And if you've been watching my videos for the last year or so, I've been using this shampoo here. This is called HairMax. And so it's supposed to help your hair grow back. So if you've been watching and you see my hair growing back, I mean, granted, maybe it's a little bit darker, but that's just my secret. But this here, I've been using this. So if you see it's gotten any thicker or better or anything like that, you know, comment on below. But so I've been using this and I think it's been pretty good. I mean, I don't think I've lost any more hair or anything since I've been using it. But it seems to work pretty good. So this is the HairMax shampoo and it's ridiculously expensive. It's like $25 for a bottle. But I mean, but I like the way it has a squirt top and it lasts several months. So it's not too bad as far as the price goes, but I think it works. So I've tried other hair loss ones and so far I like this one the best. It leaves my hair feeling nice and clean. And they have a conditioner too, and I do have that, but I don't use that as much, so I didn't need to buy one, so I only bought one of these. But that's it. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description, so if you're losing some hair and wanna try it, go ahead. Link in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.